I feel is negative. I'm filled with emotions, negative emotions. How do I know that there is a Buddha nature, right? Minute by minute, moment by moment, I'm filled with all this dirt. How do I know there's a Buddha nature? The Mahayana's answer is, because you are dirt, the defilements are all temporary and purifiable, removable. This is the one of the main logic. And that you should accept. For instance, when you get angry, how long do you get angry? I mean, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year? Your emotions come and go. It's all temporary. This is a good proof. Like another example is like the cloud covering the sun. Cloud goes and you think the sun arises. But it's not true. Sun is always there. Talked about the Buddha nature a little bit. So we will just for the practical thing we can do. Now, this is important. With the motivation, with the intention of, first you need to have the intention of experiencing, tapping, getting acquainted, recognizing this basic goodness of human being or Buddha nature or Tathagata Garbha, whatever you want to call it. Okay, that should be the motivation. That's important. Not for good life, not for good car, not for success, not for, Remember hay and the rice? You look for rice, not for hay. That is important. Okay? With this motivation, we will apply few disciplines, very simple, such as sitting straight. So please sit straight. And as you sit straight, just watch your thoughts. And as the thought arises, do not judge. If the thoughts are not good thoughts, don't condemn. If it is good thoughts, don't get excited. Just register. And as you are aware of one thought, there will be the next thought coming. Just watch that next thought. You don't have to finish with the first thought. And maybe you don't even have thoughts. If you don't have thoughts, just be aware of that. And don't look for something special. Because we are calling it a Buddha nature, maybe you are looking for a special sensation or a special realization or some kind of a light or experience. Mundane is very beautiful. Mundane is sacred. If you are thinking about car honking, then just be aware of that. If you realize you have been following a thought, then come back to just knowing the thought. Okay, now please think, this attempt to face the Buddha nature, Tathagata Garbha, basic goodness of human being, may the merit of this enlighten all sentient beings.